Plural nouns refer to more than one person, place, thing, or idea. For instance, book becomes books, while child changes to children. There are two main types: regular plurals, formed by adding s or as, and irregular plurals, which follow unique rules or change spelling, like deer remaining deer. Regular plural nouns are formed by adding s or es. For most nouns, add s, book becomes books, dog becomes dogs. For nouns ending in ch, esh, x, zs, or ss, add es. Lunch becomes lunches, dish becomes dishes. Practice by matching singular nouns to their correct plural forms. For words ending in a consonant followed by y, change I to I and add as. Baby becomes babies. Story becomes stories. Lady becomes ladies. City becomes cities. This rule applies only when y follows a consonant. If ei follows a vowel, simply add s, as in boy to boys, key to keys. For words ending in kash, x, zs, or s's, add es to form plurals. Bunches, wishes, boxes, buzzes. For words ending in a vowel plus y, simply add s, boys, keys. For words ending in consonant plus o, usually add as, tomatoes, heroes. Sort nouns like beach, monkey, glass, tray, hero, and tomato accordingly. Some irregular plural nouns maintain the same form in both singular and plural. For instance, deer, sheep, and fish do not change when pluralized. This is crucial to remember as these nouns defy standard pluralization rules. Identify these unchanged plurals by recognizing their consistent form across singular and plural contexts. Some irregular plural nouns undergo complete spelling changes. For example, man becomes men, woman becomes women, and tooth becomes teeth. These forms must be memorized as they don't follow standard rules. Practice matching singular nouns like child, goose, and ox with their plural forms to reinforce learning. Let's categorize nouns into regular and irregular plurals. Regular plurals include books, dishes, cities, boxes, and toys, where we add s or es. Irregular plurals like children, mice, teeth, sheep, and feet change spelling or remain unchanged. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for mastering plural forms. Plural nouns indicate more than one entity. Regular plurals typically add s or es like books or boxes. Words ending in consonant plus y change to ies, such as babies. Irregular plurals may change spelling like men or remain unchanged like deer. Explore these rules to create your own examples.